Let's try it this way. Simply select it, copy it, and then paste it into Google Docs. And that is all that is required. Now, once you have made up your output using ChatGPT, all that is left to do is sell it for $5, $10, or even $20. You simply have to execute the task once, and you may sell it often, generating a stream of passive income for you. Now, the best part is that you can make this with ChatGPT in only 5 minutes, and you're about to learn how to copy and paste using ChatGPT in this video. Now, as you undoubtedly know, ChatGPT is a fantastic chatbot. But before I go into how we can use ChatGPT to make money, let me just give you a few examples of what ChatGPT can do. For instance, all I need to do is ask ChatGPT what the top 10 best ideas from the book are if I want to know what the best ideas are from a book. We can quickly and easily draw the finest conclusions from any book without ever reading it. Even if you just want to read up on some history, ChatGPT will respond right away and give you a summary of the plot. Since you clicked on this video to learn how to generate money online, you probably don't give all these things any thought. The first way to generate money online, according to ChatGPT, is to sell products and services online. The second is to provide freelancing services. And the third is to develop and market an app or game. The fourth is to work as an affiliate marketer, and the fifth is to hold webinars or sell online courses. Selling digital products is one of the finest ways to make money online since the profit margin is quite large and you can develop the product just once and sell it often. In addition, creating digital products is cost-free. As you can see, selling digital products like ebooks or courses is one of the top methods to earn money online, according to ChatGPT. In a moment, I'll show you exactly how to turn your ebook into income after I've shown you how to utilize ChatGPT to create an ebook. Now, to get passive income, all you need to do is to create it once and sell it repeatedly. Let me demonstrate how to create a fantastic ebook with ChatGPT in about 5 minutes. Now, you need to come up with an idea for your ebook before we start writing it. Which ebook should be produced using ChatGPT? You must first sell what people want to buy if you want to earn money selling ebooks. Find out which nonfiction book categories are most popular. Even if you don't have any ideas about what kinds of ebooks you want to make and sell, we'll just use ChatGPT to help you do the research. I'll just type something like, "What are the popular categories for a nonfiction book?" We want to find out what is popular and what is in demand so that we can find out what people want to buy, and then we make ebooks to meet the demand. ChatGPT responded when I inquired about what the public categories are for nonfiction books. It would be a waste of time to write a book that no one would want to buy, and you can see that we have a ton of amazing concepts over here, like business and finance, self-help and personal development, history, science and technology, among other topics. If you want additional suggestions, we can simply ask ChatGPT to offer more. Simply ask ChatGPT to keep coming up with new ideas if you feel that this list of 10 is insufficient. For instance, we choose self-help and personal development in this case because it seemed interesting. Ebooks that provide advice and directions on matters like productivity, relationships, and self-improvement will be the standard. This category, self-help and personal development, is rather broad. Ask ChatGPT to suggest the subtopics to us so we can have a more focused ebook if you want to get even better ideas for a non-fiction book. We don't just publish an ebook about business and finance because that's too vague or general, not particular enough, and very difficult to sell. So get ChatGPT to provide us with even more great suggestions. We will then wait for ChatGPT to tell you what some of the popular subtopics are, and then this will offer you a much better concept for your ebook. Write something along the lines of, what are the subtopics of this category? Self-help and personal development. We have things like motivation and goal setting, time management, communication skills, stress management, leadership, creativity, and self-care inside self-help and personal development. Simply choose what interests you the most. For example, we use time management. We may now begin writing the ebook. Now let's first ask ChatGPT to draft an outline for us. The book will be planned out for you by ChatGPT. Now they will present you with a table of contents, walk you through each chapter, and then arrange the book according to your preferences. We have all of these chapters and they are logically arranged. There is an introduction, a synopsis of time management in chapter 1, and then these things. You should now choose the book's outline from the ChatGPT section. Go back to Google Docs and then paste the selected outline there. Right now, we already have the entire book's outline. We would want ChatGPT to begin drafting the ebook for us. The first chapter of our ebook will be a definition of time management. So all we have to do is copy the definition, return to ChatGPT, type in "write a chapter for the definition of time management," and then leave a check mark in GPT to begin writing it. In a matter of seconds, ChatGPT will assist you in writing the first chapter of your ebook. All you need to do is select it, copy it, go back to Google Docs, and paste it there. It will just continue for the following chapter, so I go over here, copy it, and come back. After that, I'll ask ChatGPT to create this chapter. This will be chapter 2, and ChatGPT will compose the following chapter on our behalf. When it's finished, we simply need to select it, copy it, and then go to Google Docs and paste it there, just like before. The only thing left to do is carry on with the procedure and ask ChatGPT to type up chapters 3, 4, and 5. Simply keep copying and pasting in this manner, and in a matter of minutes, you will have your full ebook prepared for you. Just a small tip, if you think the chapter is too short and would like ChatGPT to write more, you can just ask him to do so by saying "please write more," and it will then continue to add new paragraphs to the chapter. You can quickly produce your first ebook using ChatGPT. All you have to do is click File, Download, and then PDF Document, so that people may download your ebook as a PDF. After using ChatGPT to produce your first ebook, you want to upload it to the marketplace so that you can sell it. Gumroad.com is simply one of the many sites you can utilize to sell your ebooks. As you can see, you can use Gumroad to sell an ebook in PDF format. If you choose, you can also opt to sell other types of digital products. The benefit of Gumroad is that there are no monthly fees, making it free in that sense. If you used other platforms, you would typically have to pay for them. Many other platforms usually charge you $40, $50, or even $100 simply to use their service. Gumroad only charges a 10% fee, so you only pay it when you make the money. There are no ongoing fees involved. Only once you generate sales will Gumroad apply its 10% fee. Gumroad is excellent because you can start without any money. They will deduct 10% of your earnings as fees. So if you sell an ebook and make $100, Gumroad will deduct this amount from your earnings as platform usage costs. All that's left to do is spread the word about your ebook on social media once you've published it on Gumroad and made it available for purchase. You can attract people to visit Gumroad and purchase your ebook by using YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.